Thanks. See, that's the bullshit I've been talking about for years already. I'm sick of this pollution. Look at that airplane. I see the straight line. It's flying just above the cloud. I see the airplane. It's going just above the cloud. It's leaving that line. It's making that line. I just had to stop myself from cussing out loud again. Don't mistake my anger for Tourette's. It's happening. I'm sick of it. Knock it off. Happening in the skies over California. It's September 29th. It's like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. And look at that airplane right there. It's just disgusting. Right there above your head, above my head. Too much, too much, too much. Sick of it.